In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and customize a trend line in Google Sheets. We'll start by opening your Google Sheets document so you can see the data you want to analyze. Make sure your dataset is organized in columns with numbers in the columns you plan to chart. If you have header labels, those can help Sheets understand what to display in the chart legend and axes, but they're optional. Next, highlight the data range you want to visualize. Click and drag to select it, or use keyboard shortcuts if that's quicker for you. A clean, continuous range works best. If you're exploring how one variable relates to another, like time versus sales or advertising spend versus signups, a two-column selection is a solid starting point. Now, insert a chart. Go to the Insert menu and choose Chart. Google Sheets will create a chart and open the chart editor on the right side of your screen. If the default chart type isn't what you need, switch it to a scatter plot or a line chart. Scatter plots are great for spotting relationships between two numeric variables. Line charts are useful if your x-axis represents a sequence, such as dates or time. With your chart in place, click the Customize tab at the top of the chart editor. This is where you'll control how the chart looks and how the data series are styled. Scroll down and select the Series section. You'll see options for formatting the data series itself. Here, check the box labeled Trendline. As soon as you select it, Google Sheets will draw a trend line across your data, giving you a quick visual sense of the overall direction or pattern. From there, fine-tune the trend line so it actually reflects the story your data is telling. For many data sets, a linear trend line works well, showing a steady upward or downward slope. If your data grows or decays at a consistent rate, an exponential trend line may be a better fit. You can also adjust the color, thickness, and opacity so the trend line stands out without overpowering the data points. If you're presenting the chart, picking a high contrast color helps your audience see the trend at a glance. As you customize, keep context in mind. A trend line is a summary. It smooths out noise to reveal direction. If the points are widely scattered, the trend line may be less reliable. Choose the type that matches how your data behaves and keep the style clear and readable. That's it. You've added a trend line and tailored it to your dataset, making your chart more informative and easier to interpret.